I'm thinking of an amazing quote by Mark Cuban. Sales cure all. I mean, it's just freaking brilliant if you think about it. You've got an affiliate offer and plain and simple, you want to make money with it. Maybe you're a beginner, maybe you feel stuck on, okay, I have this thing, I don't know how to get it out there now, what the heck do I do now? The strategy I'm gonna break down in this video will get you results. But I gotta say, the increase in your sales and conversions you're gonna get is gonna correlate with what you're actually willing to do for your business. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know in the comments if you are really serious about being successful with affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to be assuming that you have a niche and you have a digital affiliate marketing product that you're wanting to promote. But I will say, if you don't have a product and you want to make 100% commissions, you want a range of payment points and deep marketing strategies to get you from where you are right now in your affiliate marketing business to making however much money you want to make per day, you can check out the first link in my video description below. Just like people squeeze lemon on a fish they're about to eat, I guess to freshen up the flavor, I'm freshening up a Facebook strategy that anybody can do, whether they got no money or you do got some money in the bank. I don't even like fish, so that was a strange analogy I gave, but you know, it'll work. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche, okay? And let's say your product is a fancy weight loss, I don't know, tracker. Well, let's spell right, huh? What happened here? Let's pretend this is an amazing tracker that like cooks your meals for you and all kinds of crap. The goal I have for you in this video is to start thinking a little bit more creatively, okay, when it comes to marketing strategy. So step 1 is create the Facebook group. This is the start of building your brand and creating a community, okay, around what you have to offer. All right, so you're gonna name the group, right? So if I had a fancy weight loss tracker, maybe I would name it something like Track Your Way to Weight Loss, okay? I don't know, I can probably think of something better. I'm just giving that an example. Something that has kind of something to do with what the product is and basically what it can help people do, something around that. And by the way, this first part of this Facebook strategy is if you had no money and you wanted to do this organically, okay? That's this first part is here. So one of the ways you can grow your brand community is to start growing it from other groups that are in your same niche. I would literally do this if I did not have money in my bank. I did a quick search on Facebook for weight loss groups, and this is what I found. I typed up how to lose weight on Facebook, like I said, and I found some groups. There's one called Flat Stomach and Weight Loss Solutions, How to Lose Weight Fast. There's a lot of these. Daily Weight Loss Tips, Weight Loss Support Group. I would join them. I would see if there were other people, you know, maybe even promoting products, giving tips about products. In those groups, I would educate or share tracking tips, okay? See, because we could start a Facebook group and make a very similar one to all of these, but it doesn't stick out. We have a specific product we're trying to sell. It's a weight loss tracker that cooks your meals from your phone. Literally pops up, your meals come out from your phone. I'm just being silly, but you know what I mean? Anybody who's been trying to lose weight for quite a long time has just enough information on why tracking your weight loss, tracking calories, tracking, you know, your intake versus whatever, tracking your workouts and everything like that. People kind of know a little bit about that already. So if you honed in on what your product actually is, share tips, be supportive in the group, people will start raising their eyebrows towards you. And what you want to do is post, I don't know, for starters, I don't know, every other day, you know, in those groups. You don't want to go crazy, don't go spamming, and it needs to be valuable. It does, okay? Please do not take all of what I'm saying here the wrong way, because again, there's a real specific way you want to do this. And when people who are on my team, people who I coach and stuff like that, I really am able to get with them and do a deep dive. So don't go spamming, because in these groups, this is not where you're linking to your products, okay? You really got to understand that part, okay? You're not linking to your products yet, but you will eventually link to your groups. You may have people start adding people as friends in those groups and slowly start getting an audience to your group. So what do you do when you start getting people into your group? I would educate the science about tracking weight loss and how the science of the app literally popping up and cooking your meals. I would start sharing deeper result stories, okay? Because now you've got people a little bit more specific and a little honed in on you. You can go a little bit deeper. You're getting their attention, right? In the initial weight loss groups, I wouldn't do I would do some of this, but not super deep. I would get into the deeper stuff, you know, more specific stuff if they're actually in my group. I would make it a community that was very supportive. That's what a lot of some of these groups have as well. So that's what you want to do. And this is where you would link to your offer. But you're not going to spam your own group. Do it starting out 1 to 2 times a week, and make sure the post or the video that you have on there is jam-packed with value and very enticing to your viewers. Now I'm going to take this strategy up to the next level, and this is for somebody who has a little bit of money in the bank. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. Give this video a like if you like it so far. All right, so I kind of wrote everything out here so I can just talk about it and make this part a little bit faster. So do the same thing, right? You would create a group, name it obviously. I would take $5 to $10 a day and put it towards, okay, paid ads on any platform. Platforms that are hot. You'd run ads, okay, on those hot platforms that can have the audience that you're looking for. In the ads, I would target weight loss groups and interests, or even, you know, the big health and fitness leaders, okay, in the industry. I would share a little science and results in the ad copy. Again, we've got a very specific type of product right here. It's a fancy weight loss tracker that complements pretty much any weight loss program, fitness guru, everything like that, right? So I would break some of that stuff down in the actual ad copy, whether it's a video or text, picture, whatever. I would link that ad to the offer, along with it eventually leading people to the Facebook community, and eventually also leading people to get on your email list. You got to start building an email list. In your group, post the same kind of content I said before. Link to your offer 2 to 3 times a week, maybe 4 times, depending on how engaged everybody is, and support like crazy. And this part right here is huge, okay? So you're gonna have email follow-ups, anywhere from a 7 to 10 day email follow-up series, giving away bonuses, discounts, going into even deeper result stories. You can also get a messenger tool. Like if you didn't want to build an email list, which you should, there are really cool tools out there that allow you to connect with people in your groups, on your pages and things like that, and you can send them the same kind of information. And it allows them to respond to you. You can have more of a personal connection with them. There's a lot, okay? There's a lot. I can literally talk about this stuff for so long. What I'm going over in this video is like a stocking stuffer for Christmas of really good information. But I could fill the whole bottom of the tree with gifts. I'm talking mega gifts. I'm such an idiot sometimes. I don't know. I just don't know what happens sometimes in these videos. If you clicked on this video because all you wanted to see were the strategies I was going to be talking about in this video, and that's all you came for, you can click off this video. But leave a like before you do. I will love you for it. If you want deeper marketing strategies, another affiliate stream that gives you 100% commissions, if you want more of my time to give you even more strategies on what you should be doing to building your affiliate brand, business, and to get more sales, click that first link in the description below. You can check out the system that's literally been making me up to $500 on a daily basis. Yeah, you know, here's the thing. You will not be disappointed, and I can guarantee that one. Remember to start thinking more creatively when it comes to your marketing strategies. Leave a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and you will be hearing from me soon.